Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have another Guess What's in the Box video. These are some custom made items, so please stick around, check out the video. I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so this is some custom items I had made from a buddy of mine. I probably had mentioned this in a previous video. Where's my measuring tape? I don't remember where I put my measuring tape. It's right over here. Grab a different measuring tape. Alright, so we're going to measure this box. I've done previous videos mentioning that I had some custom items made to do a conversion on the 4Runner. So this is just the Guess What's in the Box video. It is kind of smashed. I'm hoping that certain items in here isn't destroyed. But so the width of the box is... Width of the box is 1 foot 1/4 of an inch. It is 2 feet 1/4 of an inch long. It's 1 foot 1/4 of an inch wide, and the depth is 3.5 inches tall. If you guys guess what's in this box, I will be providing to whoever guesses the closest and or whoever gets it correct, I will be providing a Also Tool sticker as well as a Wrench Trench Garage sticker. So it's a pretty long box. I will give you guys a hint. It is for the 4Runner. It is for my 2000 4Runner. If you guys can guess exactly what it is, it might help you guys if you go to some previous videos before this, probably 30 or 40 videos before this one. Probably a little less. Somewhere in that range. It'll give you hints to what they are. I will do an unboxing on the next video for this box. We'll check out what's in the box. I'll explain what they're for and everything. And we'll go from there. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Very top of the description. I also do have an Also Tools link with my initials on it. You guys click on that, it will give you 10% off your order at alsotools.com. If you guys find something on the website that you like, click on that link. It also kicks me back a 10% off my next order as well. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I appreciate you guys checking out the video, and to my subscribers, I appreciate all the support that you guys give. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!